Alright YouTube, you know what time it is. Up for another video. So I just replaced the manifold on my car because the old air ride manifold shit the bed. I will explain why in a minute. But let me show you the new manifold. Alright, so I also posted a real diagram instead of this one. That's on there. Bad instructions. And my remote is wired in reverse. So what I mean by reverse is most controllers, the wire is on the top. I like mine on the bottom because it's easier to hold in my hand and I don't have to worry about the wire being in the way. It's kind of awkward when the wire goes up, goes down like this. I'm not going to show you guys that because you guys see my remote before. I showed it in my video. So watch old videos to see what's happened recent. So I got my wire in reverse. So I want to post a diagram for the reverse wiring and for the regular wiring. I'm going to post both. I'm also going to post a diagram for my manifold. If you got the same manifold, you're good. But if you got a different manifold, just go on Google like I did and get the wire diagram. So I'm going to post that up. When I post that up, you're going to see how I did it. And I did it color by color. It took me about 2 or 3 hours to figure out this whole mess. And I'm doing a video for you guys because I couldn't find it online. So you guys can learn and so that this can be an enjoyable experience for you. So that you don't have to worry about struggling and not finding a video. So this is it. Car is done. I'm going to keep it up all night. I know she's going to stay up. So I'm good in that department. I check for leaks, no leaks. So enjoy this video. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a message and I definitely will reply right away. Alright YouTube, we out. Much love. Alright, so as you can see, this is the instructions they gave me. That's it. Doesn't tell you which one's front up, front down, left, right, and all that good stuff that we like. But what it does show you is the pin placement. So as you know, on most manifolds, on this one, the whole bottom is the intake. So the air is going to be feeding from your tank into the whole bottom section. The top one is going to be your exhaust. Say for instance, and it's also labeled with about the same thing. Alright, yeah, so they're both labeled. And like every other manifold, they're all set the same. So this is the driver's front, passenger front, driver's rear, and passenger rear. And I wrote a couple of diagrams. I'll post some pictures on it. You guys can see it. So you guys can see what I did. So say for instance, do A2. A2. Alright, that's the letter A right there. Pin placement number 2. So that would have been better if that would have said driver's front up. It doesn't say that. I'm going to post some pictures of the diagram, my old manifold, just so you guys can see how I did it. But every manifold is going to be different, so you're going to have to get a diagram on that. Well, not even a diagram of the manifold, it's the diagram of the controller. But this is the pathetic instructions that they gave me. And then pin number 789 doesn't get used. So look right here. 789, those are empty on the pin plug. 10, which is number 10 right there. That's going to be your ground, the power you're getting for the remote. And then this 1 through 8 is going to be your wires for your car. That's it. Give me a minute. Post some pictures. Alright, so the car's been down for a couple of days until the new manifold came in. Honestly, I think this one's a better design anyways. It's the A4 design. Had to rebend the lines to make everything work, but that's the new manifold. As you can see, all the wires are white. I'm going to explain that in a minute. But I adapted it to the old plug, just so that I don't have to unplug it from here. I can unplug it from there, and I'm still able to take out the manifold. Yep, no more leaks. If everything is set up, I got to figure out my exhaust situation. But most part, car's working, so I will do that another day. Check this out.